Let's imagine for just a moment a super hot Earth, a long time before dinosaurs. All the continents were smashed together into one giant land called Pangea. Steamy jungles carpeted the coasts while the center of Pangea baked under a relentless sun. This was the Permian period, a vibrant time 50 million years before dinosaurs even existed. The Permian period was a time when the Earth was in a sweat. So what was happening? Let's explore this a little further today on Documentify TV. In the Permian period, the receding of the giant glaciers of the previous era were now a thing of the past. The Earth now had scorching summers and chilly winters that ruled the vast inland. But near the coasts, things were amazing. Lush rainforests exploded with life, fueled by never-ending rain. Towering Glossopteris trees, unlike anything we know today, dominated these jungles. Their shade sheltered a fascinating cast of creatures. Imagine giant salamanders called Temnospondyls wading through the shallows. On land, Dimetrodons with their spiky backs like sails patrolled as the top dog, or should we say top reptile, of the Permian. Insects flourished in this warm, humid paradise. Insects were abundant and enormous. Among them were dragonflies with wings wider than your arms, soared through the air, while millipedes, the size of hot dogs, munched on fallen leaves. This was also the time when the first beetles showed up, starting a long line of super successful insect cousins. But trouble brewed beneath the surface. Gigantic volcanic eruptions in Siberia pumped greenhouse gases into the air, slowly turning Earth's thermostat way up. This warming, along with less oxygen in the oceans, set the stage for a disaster, the worst extinction event in history. The Permian may be a forgotten chapter in Earth's story, but fossils whisper its secrets. Footprints etched in rock and the remains of these lost creatures tell a tale of a world bursting with life before a mysterious event forever changed the course of evolution. By studying this lost world, we learn how delicate Earth's balance can be, reminding us to protect our own planet's amazing life on the place we all call our home. Let us know in the comments. What are your thoughts about the Permian period? We think giant insects and reptiles would indeed be scary. Until then, see you in the next video.